Boom. Again, back. Don't forget to subscribe. It's your kid. Turn me up later. I'm about to turn you up real quick. I want to show you one of my favorite plugins. Like I feel like it's a best kept secret. Like mad people don't know about it. Boom, right here. Flex, flex, flex. Yeah. So, I mean, it got the vibes. You hear that? I mostly just be using it for guitars and shit like that. But boy, that shit got the flex. It really got what you need. Like it got some good sounding pianos too. I mean, it got some good sounding. It got the roll joint. And I know I've been crying type. Yeah. That's the. It got the stage grand. Yeah, it got some joints in here. It even got this little 808 pack. It ain't too much, but I don't really use them. But if you ain't got nothing sturdy, you might as well go with that. You heard? You might as well go with that if you ain't got nothing sturdy. That's all I'm saying. But really, like, it definitely this it definitely got some. Know what I mean, I use that for some Jamaican joint, huh? Step on the beach. They know we reach, I bang, yeah, know what I mean? Yeah, it really got a good amount of joints in here, like the wind, know what I mean? Yeah, the flute joint, know what I mean? Yeah, it's really popping. Like, this is really one of my favorite plugins. Like, I'm not gonna hold you. I always use it when it comes to guitars. Like, I know it's better stuff out there, like contact, but they charging, they charging. I can't hold you. They charging a wild amount, and I ain't finna pay that right now. So, know what I mean? So this is it. Just wanted to introduce you to my favorite plugin, one of my favorite plugins, Flex, and it's a stock plugin. Cool, bang, we out.